Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, the day has arrived. It's the Tesla earnings. It's about to get very exciting on the markets. It's been a very, very, very good day, a very interesting day. And let's get straight into it and let's see exactly how my position has separated from the main markets because of trading. That's what we've done today. Look at that. I'm up 1.08 and the S&P is up 0.43. We're doing good, right? We're making money. We're separating again from the main markets. If you can keep beating the market, you're doing great. That's all you got to worry about. And how much is irrelevant, all right? If you're beating the markets, you're beating the markets. Virgin Galactic's had an interesting day as well. Let's have a quick look at it. Let's have a look at it right now. It's been going, it popped up nice, but it really isn't anything to worry about, anything to get excited about, really. It's still on, it's back under $4 again. So I'm right, and I'm glad to be out of that. I've got no issue with being involved in that right now. The S&P is up 1% today. My overall portfolio is up 1%. Virgin Galactic going sideways. Gold, not yet worth buying, really. The S&P is very frothy. I've sold half my position over the last month. We're going up and up and up, taking some profits off the table. Amazon absolutely going bonkers. I mean, really bonkers. It's making me loads of money. I cannot believe I got $7,500 in Amazon. I feel like walking down to Jeff Bezos and going, do you know who I am? You know, I'm only joking, right? Apple's good. I need to say that because sometimes people might think, yeah, all right. Next Era Energy, we're talking about our solar doing better and better all the time. Still 4% out. I've tripled my position. Phase Energy down from 27 down to just 6 down. Very, very good. Coca-Cola, was I right or was I right? Coca-Cola can't get better. Look at this. We've tripled our position. We are up on the safe stocks. You know what this means, don't you? This means that the market is concerned that we're going to get a drop and they're buying into Coca-Cola. We've been going sideways for such a long time. We've got inflation coming down, profits going up for Coca-Cola, dividends being increased. What a great asset to own. I love it. I've always wanted a big position in Coca-Cola. I'm up 3% now. On my main position. You can see it there. Look at that. It's the first time I've been up in the money. I kept buying it and buying it. When it got lower and lower, I'm up 2% there. So I've made 46 and 100. So that's $150 profit now. Plus, of course, I've got the dividends. So I'm very, very excited about that. I'm thrilled to bits that I finally got a really good position in Coca-Cola. Good. J&J is also up. I missed out on that little dip this morning because I wanted to do it, get in with Tesla, but Tesla's opportunity is coming now the other way around. We'll come to that in a second. Chevron is up. Tesla, there you go. It popped up, popped up, popped up. We sold 2 up here, and now we're buying it back. I could buy it back now. Because I've got the profits in the bank anyway. It's not gone anywhere. Tax-free on my Roth IRA. I could buy it back. And I've saved myself a few bucks a share. I want to buy more. I think we might wait a little bit. We might get a better deal than this. I think we might beat on earnings, but we know what happens. We know we tend to sell off the coming week, the next week or so with Tesla. So there's no real rush. We're not in any real hurry to jump on in. Let's have some patience. We've got a good position. We're making money. Our portfolio is ahead of the market. Let's hold back. Let's keep some cash on hand. That's all good. Rivian, that's good. I'm up on it. I've just got a marker share. McDonald's is up again. Very, very nice. Google, it's not worth buying anymore for me just yet. Microsoft, the same thing. We want to hold back for the earnings on these. Tesco's, we're up today, but we're not in at the moment. Tilray, very nice, up 6% today. It's an improvement, but nothing yet. Robinhood, the big story of the day. My latte's arrived. Let me go and get my latte. All right, I heard the tap. Bloody hell. What's going on? You all right, Leah? There you go. Leah's enjoying tapping on the cup. It's a latte with chocolate on the top. Bloody hell. See that? Lovely. Lovely. Very good. Very good. Love it. Welcome everybody on TikTok. Join us on YouTube. That's where the main event is. You're missing the main event. Click up the profile here and find my YouTube channel. All right, let's go. Robinhood. We're up now. We've made 48% on the main on the Roth and 51% on the main account. Absolutely great. Thanks, Leah, says Mike. Thank you very much for that. Ion Q, we got a bit of a swoosh. We got a bit of a swoosh this morning. We got an opportunity to buy some more. I didn't know. We'll wait for the earnings. Rocket Labs dropped down. I didn't do anything. I held my position. I've moved my money out of Virgin Galactic into Rocket Labs. It's doing a lot better. Okay, let's carry on. Plug is holding up. That's good. Not much, but it's holding up. We've already made money, so it's free money now. Procter & Gamble. Look at this. Defensive stocks. Defensive stocks are going up. This tells you everything you need to know about the upcoming market, what people think. So be very careful. It's great if you are buying the defensives before they're too defensive. Does that make sense? You don't want to buy it after everyone goes in because then you pay too much, right? Rumble going sideways. Funware and doing nothing. FFIE. I'm just out of the money a tiny bit. If we get a 20% drop, I'll buy it at 20. That's the way I see it. Rio Tinto down today 1.5. I'm considering it. Bitcoin back up to 30 again. The big story of the day though is my Polygon X. You can't beat it. I love it. And what about XRP heading to $1? This is really, really great. I could be making a few $1,000s on XRP very shortly. JP Rothschild. I love all these smiley faces. All the smiley faces from JP Rothschild. Love it. Great. What a day. Talk about a frothy market. Got a frothy... very frothy, what do you call it? A latte. Anyway, here we go. This is what's happening in a few minutes' time. We've got the Tesla earnings. We've also got, let me share with you, while we're up on that screen, let me share with you the crypto bubbles. Look at this. See XRP right there. Zenzei's favorite crypto, my favorite one right now. The regulated crypto. There it is. XRP up 8.4%. What does that mean in my Coinbase? Well, it means I've now got a balance of 1765. Remember? 1752. I only put in $1,000. Flipping brilliant. And I feel we're just at the beginning. I've got enough XRP now to earn me $6,000 without any stress at all. I can't quite believe I'm saying that, but I am saying it. And I am saying it. So there you go. Very, very nice indeed. Let's see who's with me. Very small crowd this afternoon. I think everyone's watching hundreds of my premieres. I've got 9 premieres out today. I've been very, very busy with the premieres. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, I've had 7,000 views in the last 48 hours. It looks like everyone is behind my... it looks like I've got a big audience right now watching the chart analysis from Sensei. Who sold? We've got Michael Colglazier and we've got Virgin Galactic Analysis. People are watching that right now. You can see it's 103 in the last in the last 45 minutes. So very, very busy. They'll all join us once they've done with the premiering. Done with the premiering. All right. JP Rothschild, love all the... What's all this? All the smiley faces. We've got all sorts. JP Rothschild's blowing it up. Someone's smiling. Ha ha. Yes, indeed. Stormy Norman. I love it. I'll buy XRP when it pulls back around 50 cents. I don't think it's going to. Nor does Sensei. Not now. I think the news is out. The news is out. That's you talking at JP Rothschild. That's me talking, is it? Is that me talking? That's what it means, me talking. All right. Someone's smiling. So, Storming Norman, what you doing, Rothschild? Yeah, what's he doing? Nobody knows. It's a bloody mystery. Feeling good with my portfolio. Just got over $7,000, which gives me $50 a month with both positions green on the day. Very, very good. When you say $50 a month, What do you mean? Are you talking about some sort of dividends that you've got going on there? What do you mean by that exactly? I'd like to know, because I'm nosy like that. This is my portfolio, nicely separated from the market. That's what you always want to see. There's my Tesla. I nearly bought some a minute ago. It nearly bought me back in, but I don't need to buy any more just yet. 58 grand, which means 62,000 bucks. 60 was 2 grand above our all-time high. You wouldn't even know I took 4 grand out now, would you? It's like my computer's for free. Absolutely brilliant. Okay. JP Rothschild still doing it. He's got loads of smiley. Yes, dividends. Very good. If we get a market crash, it should go back down. Yes, of course. But will we get a market crash? Bitcoin went down, but what do you call it? XRP kept on going up. First regulated crypto, right? It's got a big flag on the top of it right now, and they're waving it. They're waving it all the way to the bank, literally to the Bank of America and JP Morgan. Right, Virgin Galactic not doing anything, going sideways. The S&P going up again. Amazon, I cannot quite believe how much FOMO is in Amazon. Remember, the more this gets bought up, the less the buying pressure. Because people are paying a premium now. Why would you want to sell it? So for the people that are in it, we're absolutely loving it. I knew Amazon was my best position, but I didn't quite think it would be quite this quick. If I'm honest, let's have a look at it. We've made 7% in a month on Amazon. We've made 33% in 3 months. It's golden right now, isn't it? But we've still got all this to make up. It's a $250 stock. That's my price target on it. There's so much room to grow. I've got it at $99. I can't quite believe it. Anyway, I'm ecstatic over it. I want to get some Solana if it drops. I know nothing about that one. Tell me all about it, Crag. I had a microscopic surgery on my right knee yesterday, and I'm going to be here for a while. Okie dokie. Then you carry on with your emojis and your smiley faces. We love it, JP Rothschild. And I'm glad that you're okay and you're with us. Wonderful stuff. Right, Apple. 45 minutes to go. We've got, before the bell, we've got, of course, earnings tonight with Tesla. We're right on it. We're waiting. Tesla popping back up again. If it goes up, it's good. If it goes down, it's good. I don't really care. I'd love to buy some more. I know it's ultimately going to go up. I'd love it to drop because I sold 2. I'm looking to buy back 4. So I want to increase. I want to get 20 shares of Tesla. Just OCD, no reason, just feels good. I like the number. I want to walk around going, I own 20 shares of Tesla. No one's going to listen. No one's going to pay any attention. I don't care. I want to say it. I might even put it on Facebook. Anyway, yeah, you can be too happy. Everyone have bad days too. Stay happy. Love it, JP. Yes, you can be too happy. Everyone have bad days too. Stay happy. Absolutely. You can't. I think he says what Stephen Lewandowski meant. You can't be too happy. Everyone has bad days too. Stay happy. Love it, JP. Never owned Tesla. Very interested to see their earnings. Will tune in when you broadcast. Absolutely. It's the live earnings tonight. We're going to be there. Plug is such a good stock. Delph, he loves his Plug. He loves his Plug. We've got Plug. You know it, and I'm holding it. I'm not going anywhere. I've held it. I'm not enjoying my new layout. I can't find my stocks. There it is. There's my Plug. Right? Look at that. I'm holding it. I'm up 0.6. Not buying much of it at the moment. I need my money for Tesla tonight. Stormin, what stocks would you hold if you don't mind me asking? Not at all. We don't mind you asking, do we, mate? Right, the S&P going up. I can't believe it. Virgin Galactic going sideways, doing nothing really. Gold, I want to buy some more gold. The S&P is going up. Amazon just keeps on going and going and going. Apple is up 0.98. Next Era Energy, Enphase, looking good. Coca-Cola. Can you believe that Coca-Cola? I don't remember Coca-Cola doing 2%, 1.85 in a day. Can anyone? I don't ever remember that. Patience is a virtue, right? Anyway, very, very good. Absolutely love it. Okay. Johnson & Johnson. Chevron. Tesla. We had a nice little dip there. I was telling Leah to go and buy some Tesla, but I said, to be honest, the amount you're going to invest, just leave it. Just leave it. There might be another little dip, and it doesn't really matter anyway. You made a good profit on the way up. She bought it when it was too high, so we've been waiting a long time to get some profit. Got 10% profit out of it for her. And I said, just wait for it to fall back after the earnings, all right? Just wait for that. And if it doesn't, don't worry. There's always an opportunity. Okay, they repaired my ACL. Okay, when I tore my ACL, I had tears in my eyes. I bet you bloody did. Rothschild, I had shattered my kneecap and have to have surgery on it. Bloody hell, what was you doing, Flutter? Was you fluttering around like a bee? What was you doing to shatter your knee? I want to know, because I'm nosy like that. All right. Let me have a quick look. Let me have a quick look down here a minute. 9534. 9534. Is my subscribers moving at all? I want to see if my subscribers move a little bit. See, I've been flat recently since that last that flight, and I lost a few, but now it's starting to come back up again. I'm really excited about getting to 10,000 subscribers. It's such an important moment, because that's the day I can start doing fundraisers for everybody. So there we go, 9534. We want to see that move if we can. Right. Tesla earnings. Have you all got your ticket for the Tesla earnings? Are you coming? Are you going to be there? Let's have a look. How many people have got a ticket? Because it's a ticket only. All right, tickets only. Here's the Tesla earnings. Here's the link in the chat. I'll put it in the. I'll pin it as well. I shall pin it because I can. There is the Tesla earnings. All right, I'll post it twice so you can see it, and I shall pin it to the top so it never goes away. It'll be there for the rest of your life. Never go away. All right. No problem, buddy. I used to own 10,000 in IEP, which gave me 300 every 3 months, but tax rules made it unviable. Now I have 2,000 in CLM and 6,000 in SMIF, UK share. Stormy Norman, okie dokie. Right, markets are moving again. Virgin Galactic just coming back down again. Gold, not there yet. The S&P, great. I'm not buying any more. Amazon, still running. Apple, still running. NextEra Energy's gone a bit loose now. Enphase, same, running out. Google, Coca-Cola just trimming off. J&J just going sideways, but that's okay. I wish we bought that 2% drop this morning. Never mind. CVX, Tesla. Right, Tesla. Are we going to get some more out of Tesla today? That's better. I was looking at that thinking, that doesn't look right. That looks better, doesn't it? I sold it at around 295, so I want to buy it back. There's no point in buying it back here, unless for some reason I heard there was some super duper amazing news. Just join Martyn. Are you back in space? If not, when would you go back in? No, I'm not in space. I'm making more money everywhere else. There's no real point at the minute. Space is very disappointing. 398 is absolutely nothing at all. It should be at $10 right now. It's underperforming the markets. There's no point me owning it. I've got my money in so many other places. I've got over $1,000 now held in my accounts, my Roth IRA and my main account, ready to buy back in Tesla. That's what I want. That's what I want, and then ride it up. That's what I want to own. I want more Tesla. I want 20 shares of Tesla. Ultimately get to 50 would be great. Anyway. Wouldn't it be smart to invest in Tesla right now? No. No, it wouldn't. Why? Because I've already made money on Tesla. I'm already 70% up. It went as high as 80. We always like to buy it after the earnings because you typically get sell-offs, okay? It's never quite as good as everyone expects, even when it is. Just how it trades. It trades how it trades. Very exciting times. You own it. you trim off the top on the way up. And I know. I just saw Sensei talk about XRP. I know, 83 cents. Ooh, I love it. On the way to $5,000. Can't believe it. So proud of you for almost 10,000. Ollie Savio. Thank you so much. I have to be honest. I've worked my bloody arse off, haven't I? 9534. Come on. I want 10,000 subscribers, not for me, for the fact I can do fundraisers with no fees to anybody. It's really special because you get the opportunity to do fundraisers without any fees from YouTube when you hit 10,000 subscribers. All right. I was around a train track and since train tracks have rocks, and since train tracks have rocks, there was a pointy rock. And I was with my friends. We were just running around and I fell down. I landed straight on a rock, shattering my kneecap. Oh, my God. I can feel it. Let's not talk about it anymore. Scary stuff. Bloody hell. Okay, we don't want to... Oh, hell. My God. Ollie, thank you so much, Ollie. Really appreciate it. Knee in the 3 places. Now I have about 15 or so. Screws in my knee. Bloody hell. Space. M4TTD. Oh, here he is. Space. No, we're not excited about space. I'm out of space at the moment. I put my money in Rocket Labs. It's not going up. It's not enough. It should be up 300% now. It should be at least $10 a share, and it's not. And we've got devaluation. We've got dilution coming, so it's not doing very well at all. I put my money in Rocket Labs, and I made 16% in 1 day. So there you go. There's my Rocket Labs. Good evening, campers. Hi. That was the worst impression of Ruth Maddock I've ever heard. Forget I did that. That was rubbish. Hi. Rubbish. Good afternoon. Positive intent. Should I buy rum? Should I buy rum now, do you mean? Rumble. Rolling down the rumble. I'm down 6%. It's a good time to buy it. I think, looking at that, yeah, it's been down for a week now. But I still don't know the model for Rumble making any money yet. I'm on Rumble right now, but it does have this opportunity of trading. This is the time to do it. However, not right before an earnings for Tesla. I want to buy Tesla on the drop. I'm literally shaking with excitement. If you could see me under the desk, I'm like that. All right? Because I'm very excited about my portfolio. If we look at it, we're now up. We're breaking records absolutely everywhere. And despite Tesla going back down, you wouldn't even know I took $4,000 out of my account now, would you? So I've got money in reserve everywhere, and I want to use it. But I don't want to just use it willy-nilly. We're not doing willy-nillys on here. All right, I don't know what to buy. Might hold cash, wait for opportunity. Positive intent, yes. Look at Tesla. Let me show you, right? Look at the chart, right? This was 3 months ago. This was the last earnings. Look, see it? This was April. This was the last earnings. Okay? We went up, and then we dumped, okay, on the earnings. Be careful. Okay? And then we rose again. So just remember that. This is how it goes. All right? Now, that doesn't mean to say it's going to do that every time. Okay? That was the last earnings. Right down and up we go again. We're going up higher each time. The macroeconomics are improving. Tesla becoming more not becoming more profitable, but selling more cars. Everything's looking great and so on. But you want to keep building a position, but you got to make money out of money, right? So I sold a couple. I'm waiting now to buy back. But this time I want to buy back 4. I don't want to buy just 2. I want to buy back 4. But I want to get a little bit cheaper to add to my position. So, very exciting. Does anyone else have TSM? No, I don't have that. What is it? Let's have a look. I heard Disney might be considering selling to Apple. Really? Never. I've not heard that. I've not heard that. Thank God for Vicodin. No idea what that is. Heard your announcement this morning, Martyn. You sounded really down, mate. Don't waste your time and energy with Facebook, in my opinion. You're way better than that platform. Well, that means a lot, honestly. I feel better now, to be honest. I actually just feel free. Sodom. You know, you don't want to be one of those people who's arrogant, who thinks I create content and I deserve to be famous. I should have Facebook paying me money. You don't want to be one of those people, because there are loads of people like that. They think they're the God's gift to social media, and the social media should pay them millions of dollars just for them to shake their asses. You know what I'm talking about, all the girls who do that. No, you don't want to be that. However, when you've worked your arse off for years and you've played online to entertain people for years, you've never got any money from anything, you've never even earned any money on the stars because you've not reached the limit and Facebook have kept it, then they charge you for verification, which I opted in to do to try to improve my standing on Facebook. Still not get any money out, still can't speak to anybody. You know, the purpose was if you signed up, you could have someone help you. No, more and more scammers pretending to be me. I can't ban the scammers, but they can ban me. Yeah, right? And now they've said we're demonetizing you because you're the actual word was, you're an analyst. No, I'm not an analyst, but you know, I'm just shouting to myself. I'm not talking to anybody. But yeah, because I'm an analyst, then I can't earn money out of Reels on Instagram and Facebook because I'm an analyst, which of course I'm not. I'm an entertainer talking about stocks. But anyway, so I think, well, do you know what? I'm done with it. And the way I look at it now, Jojo S, you got to start valuing yourself. You think, hang on a minute. I used to play in theatres. People used to pay 50, 100. I made 20 grand one night when I sold the Mayflower Theatre in Southampton, right? I performed in the West End, stuff like that. People used to pay me a lot of money, and now I'm doing it for free, and I don't mind, but don't make it hard for me. Don't make it impossible. And after 20 years of work, every time I try and do anything on Facebook, it gets banned, and do you know what? I'm worth more than that. So I don't want to be the arrogant idiot who thinks they're worth money, but I'm worth more than that. So I'm not giving it away anymore. So I'm going to speak to customer services. If they can speak to me, which they won't, but I'll try. I'll give it one last try. If they can reevaluate and turn back on my monetization, even though I wasn't earning anything, right? Just so you all know. If they can do that, which they won't, I'll go, all right, then let's keep on going, keep plugging away. But if they go, no, you broke the rules and blah, 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 I'll go, well, shove it up your backside. Not that they care. And Leah said, I wouldn't delete it because, everything's connected these days, and everything, if you sign up with Facebook on an app, it links to this, everything's connected. You can't get away with it. But just don't bother with it. Just don't bother with it, If you're on it and people watch you on, who cares? Don't even care about it. Which is hard for me because I not caring about something is against the grain. But Jojo S, I appreciate you saying that, mate. And I feel better because I just said to Leah, Sodom. I actually said to Leah after I did the video this morning, I felt that most people didn't understand. I didn't get that many reactions. And I said to Leah, I don't think everyone really gets it because they think, what are you worried about? You're doing really well. You're growing on YouTube. What are you worried about? And they probably think I was moaning a bit. And I went, I don't think people really get it, that I spend like 12 hours a day online. Everything I do on here, I repost to Facebook. I do Reels. I repurpose. I work like 12 hours a day and have done for years for nothing on Facebook. And I guess I've invested a lot of energy and time in it. And I understand that you might think, well, it's no big deal. You just put a post, and because that's what most of you would do, right? But for me, it's been, I think about every post and I try to make it work, and I study the analytics and I study the tagging, the tags and the titles and the thumbnails. I really work at it, and to be treated like you don't exist and everything you do is banned, and everything every time you sing a song, it's banned, and it's like, after a while, you just go, you know what, forget it. So today I got to that point when I thought, you know what, enough's enough. I'm done with this, and forget it, Sodom. That's where I'm at now. Anyway, looks like Tesla FOMO. I like cash better. Hold back, Stephen. I'm with you, 100%. This is FOMO. This is FOMO. It went up. It started to sell. The big money knows how this stock trades. Started to sell it. And then what we've got people going, oh, hang on a minute, I want to be in. I understand that if you've not got any Tesla right now. This is the difference between the psychology of someone who hasn't got any shares and someone who's already in. Stephen, as I get older, I start to catch you up a little bit. You've been in a long time, you've made money. The mentality, I think, changes, right? Because you can afford to hold back. You've got some shares now. You can have your money sitting in cash. You're not too eager. You don't have to own it. You can wait. And that's, I think, the difference. If I was looking at this today, 2 years ago, with the mindset I had 2 years ago, it'd be like, buy Tesla, great. Look at this, it's gone down a bit. No. And, I've got plenty of money to work from. I've got $4,000. I could sell something easily. I'm up 70, 69, 99%. I've got money in cash now. That's earning money. I don't have to buy it. And typically we get a bit of a drop. So we're going to wait. We're going to have patience. But remember, I don't have to buy it for what I paid for it originally. I don't have to pay $172 to make it worthwhile. Not anymore, I don't. Because I just sold it at, 295 or wherever, 298. I sold it around here, okay? So anything below there, I've got that profit in my hand. So my average will go up, but the average isn't your profit. It's just it doesn't mean anything from a profit standpoint. It's just your average. So my average will go up, but it doesn't matter. The profit is still in my hand. And even if it goes down, I haven't lost that money because I made that money on the way up. I made $100 a share so far. So it doesn't really matter. So anywhere I can buy it less than I sold it is a plus. But I think we can get it cheaper than this. How much? I have no idea. Perhaps Sensei could tell us. Bit worried there's a crash coming soon, like around November. Recommend holding cash. This is why I'm trimming off. My S&P is now half of what it was a few months ago. I've been trimming off, taking profits, buying new positions, lowering averages, so on and so forth. Ollie, I'm right with you. It can't run and run like it has been. There's no reason why the markets just keep on going. It makes no sense. Sensei, crypto X to the RP. Yes, 84 now. AMSK. I bet you're loving it, right? Loving it. I have TSM. What is TSM? What is that? Not too bad, Jojo, mate. How's things? She didn't put a saddle on it on right. She forgot to tighten it. What happened there? What's going on there? Instead of TSM, I bought SMH. Okay, I'm with you. Okie dokie. Damn, you're making the big money. My cousin showed me how to short a company. I did extremely well. I never short. That ain't for me. Let's go MSK. 150 is on its way. What do you mean, let's go MSK? What about me? Am I not in the crypto club? I thought I was in the crypto club now. Don't like that. Hey, where's the let's go Martyn? Let's go MSK. What about me? Don't forget me. It's my bloody show, isn't it? What do you think of Polestar stock? I know you mentioned it. I haven't had a chance to look at it yet. Need to send you my XRP wallet address. Yeah. Hang on a minute. If there's any tips to be given out, you don't get it, Sensei. I get the tips because I introduced you to MSK. That's how it works. It's the link that gets the tip, not you. Just because you did all the work. No, it's me. I bring the people together. It's not you. Don't you take the tip. There's tips to go, I get the tip, all right? Don't you come on here. Give me, ooh. Right, Good afternoon, Martin. I'm also looking forward to a dip to buy more Tesla. Absolutely right. I love it if we can. Love to. Let's get you to 300 grand. Speaking of TSM and DIS, I'm considering selling my Disney shares at a loss for semiconductor stocks. Exactly. Of a real talent and a real celebrity. Totally agree. There we go. Bugger 'em. Do you know how much I'm paying? $80 a month for all my verification ticks. 3 of those are to the Instagram, 1 to Facebook. And if I don't get any sort of any resolution to all this, I'm just going to cancel it. Not because they care, not because it's, look at me, I'm stuffing it to you. It's not that. I just think it's a waste of money. I did it to protect my audience, but if I'm not going to be on Facebook, I don't have to, do I? I thought they would help me and help me solve these issues, and they're not. They're just taking my money. So, yeah, Sodom. You sold my DIS as was just losing after time I looked at it. 20 minutes ago, I will watch on another platform if you move. I will watch on another platform if you move. Well, a positive intent, I'm going nowhere. That's why you all need my email newsletter. Have you all got it? Because if I had to go somewhere else, all right, because of issues, if we get issues, you all need my email so I can email you. So there you go. There's my email. Sign up. It's free. And then you get benefits and perks. And then if anything happens, I can email you and say, oi, I'm over here. Pop in and say hello, right? Do you think that other EV companies will pop after tonight or just dump? They all, not all, but they tend to move with Tesla. Tesla does drive the market when it comes to that. It drives the market for everything. I'm looking at your thing here. It says analyst on it. What thing? What are you looking at? What says? I'm looking at your thing here. It says analyst on it. What are you looking at? Where does it say? Where does it say on Facebook that I'm an analyst? I never wrote that. Where does it say that? If you could send me a picture or something on Discord or something like that. Oh, you can't do it, can you? You're not on Discord, are you? You're not a member. Can someone see where it says I'm an analyst? I have no idea where it says that. Anyway, I'd like to know. Tomorrow is Moon Day. Is XRP going to hit $1? Is XRP going to hit $1? Oh, Moon Day. Well, like a bit of Moon Day. It says livestock market. And Alec, right here. No. That's on YouTube. That's on YouTube. We're talking about Facebook, mate. Why isn't XRP available on Robinhood, Sensei? There's a good question. I've been wondering that. When's that going to happen? Daniel, not sure. Seems like Robinhood are a bit slow. They aren't too focused on crypto. Sure, they will do it soon. We hope so, eh? I can't complain, Crag. Well, I could, but there's not a lot of point. Yeah. No point. I could complain. I'm complaining. You're paid members. You're paying to hear me complain. So yeah, Martyn Lucas Investor. Let's go, Martin. Thank you very much. Finally, I get a little bit of respect. Sensei didn't. Sensei just went, let's go MSK. MSK goes, hang on a minute. Let's remember Martyn Lucas.
Yeah, I'm part of the community with Martin because it's true and it's honest. And everyone's polite, everyone's genuine. It's a great community to join. Everyone's supportive. Everyone has something knowledgeable and wise to share. And I've definitely benefited from this community. So what you're doing is great, Martin. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Zed Hink, Ion Q. What's going on? What's going on? I'm on holiday. You don't go on holiday. That's the thing. All you need to do in life is stay connected to me on YouTube. Nothing else is important, right? Nothing else is important, all right? None of this nonsense, right? None of this, I'm having a holiday in Yellowstone, running around. No, look, it's so simple. If you believe in Virgin Galactic so much, show your house in Carmel. Take all the money, put it in 3, sit back and watch. Well, you can't buy Virgin Galactic for $3. No, on YouTube. Yeah, on YouTube. I'm certainly an analyst on YouTube, yes. But I'm not an analyst. I'm just saying we're analysing the stocks. I'm not an analyst. Check the internet. Tomorrow is International Moon Day. Is it? Does that mean everybody runs around with their bum out, does it? Because if you go mooning, you put your bum out, right? Is that what's happening tomorrow? We're all running around with our bums out? I mean, that's not going to go down too well. Lear's not going to agree with that. Anyway, I don't think that's a thing. It's not going to catch on this channel. Anyway, we're up today. We're still up. Virgin Galactic is still going sideways, not doing much. Gold, still no good, too expensive. S&P, Amazon, still going up. Oh my God. Apple, still going up. Next Tier Energy, sideways. Enphase, sideways. Coca-Cola, still going up. Look, can you believe in one day, 3%? 3.06? Don't you just love it? Who's been buying Coca-Cola with me? You might go 3.07. Ain't that good? With those dividends, 3.08. I could count this all day long. I won't get bored of this. I'll keep counting this. No problem. J&J, if I get a second bite and Tesla doesn't drop, then I'm buying. Oh, there we go. Here comes Tesla again. Have a bit of patience. Second time around. Facebook does say that your account is a financial service. Yes, it does say that. You're absolutely right, Flutter Edits. I put that as a category. Maybe that's where I've gone wrong, because I'm just trying to describe what the service is. Maybe because of that. Maybe because I called myself it's a financial service. Maybe that's what it is. How many members do you have on YouTube? All right, you want to know, do you? You're being very cheeky this afternoon. That's all right. I'll tell you. JP Rothschild, you're not even a member of my channel. You can't ask me private questions. You need to be a member. I have got right now total today at this precise moment in time. I will share with you my total members on the screen right now. Here is how many members I have. I have 171. And in the last 31 days, there's been 31 cancellations. That sounds a lot, doesn't it? 55% up, because we've given some free ones away and sometimes they don't renew. That's what happens when we give away some free ones. We gave away a few free ones. Do you remember on the flight when we had 23,000 people watching live? Do you remember? So some of those fall off. However, 171, and only a month ago we were around about the 100. So I am very excited that I've got 171. So there you go. There you go. Don't normally show people that, especially to non-members, but I showed you anyway. Are you ever going to raise your XRP prediction? If we got $5 before the bull run, well, right now I'm looking at $5, and I'll let you'll be the first to know when I know. When I know, you'll know. When you know, I'll know, because I know I've told you. All right? So be patient as you are. Don't rush me into it. It took me 20 years to even buy Bitcoin. And then you came along and then nagging in my ear for 2 years. Buy crypto, XRP. Remember all that? You kept calling in, sending me messages. I'm watching your show, saw you on TikTok, came over here. Buy some XRP. I'm going, who's this Ali Tizro? And then you changed his name. You became Sensei. And it's like, what? Who's this bloke? At 1 minute he's Ali Tizro, then he's Sensei. And then we had a debate live on the show, what we should call you. Do you remember that? Buy some XRP. I had that for like 6 months in my ear. This ear, not this one. This one's connected to TikTok. I don't hear in this one. This one, this is where you're coming in, right? Buy XRP, buy XRP. And I thought, you just wear me down, basically. I just give up, and I thought, well, I've just got, oh, hang on. Has gifted a bronze membership. Who's going to win it? Enrico Bernardino was gifted a membership by UChem. UChem has just donated a membership Hey! It didn't read it out, bugger it. Maybe the free ones don't read it out. What country are you from? How nice is that? Enrico Bernardino. Bernardino, what country are you from? Because we've got a member here, and I need a free membership. Well, it randomly picks people who are engaging, which I've never understood because Enrico Bernardino, I don't think has ever commented. So basically, right, I will tell you now, there are 52 watching, and we've got 170 members. So virtually every single person's a member. So if anybody wants to do some more gifting, right? Art of Calm Music will definitely get one, because there's maybe 1 or 2 people who are watching who aren't members. Everybody else is a member. So what you do is you go below the chat. I think everyone should do it. Yeah, everyone. If you appreciate the show, all right, it gives me a tip, and it's nice. It's nice to people. I think you should be. I think more people need to be nice. So what you do, look, membership gifting. You click the $sign. So like that, right? And you go membership gifting. How many do you want to buy? I recommend, this is financial advice, that you do 50. 50 is a good number. I think you get a better deal with 50. Do 50. Who's going to do 50? You could all group together to do 50. Here, XRP's made a load of money. He's made $30,000. 50 memberships. That means everyone today is going to get memberships. Tomorrow, every time somebody comes in, member, boom, boom, boom. Right? It's going to be like that. It's going to be chaos. I'm not going to know where I'm coming or going. I'm going to have $150 to take Leah out for dinner. Think of that. Leah would appreciate it. You've got 50 people who are going to jump up and down and think you're the nicest person in the world. What else can I say about it? That's it, really. There isn't anything else to say. If there was, I would say it, but there ain't. Glad I bought cola at 59. Yeah, Henrique, see, I told you. You didn't listen. You listened to me. I'm glad about it. See, Henrique, you've made loads of money. You could buy 50 memberships right there. He's from Denmark. Everyone in Denmark's got money. So he could do it easy if he wanted to. He just doesn't want to. So, you know. Sensei, XFO at will. That's right, Sensei Crypto. 20th of July, 1969, moon landing day. Who was born in 1969? Me. I was born in 1969, so put that in your pipe and smoke it. Robbie Cooper, hello. FFIE, taking a dip today. Just have to be patient. I'm patient. Don't you worry about that. Don't you worry about that. It's not down enough before I'm going to buy it at 20. I'm not going to buy it until it gets to 20. Hey, Martin, do me a favor, buddy. Look at Zim and tell me when the next dividend payout is. I can't find it. JP Rothschild, I can't focus on that at the moment. These are things that I do for members. Okay, I've told you, I have to focus on the members. I appreciate you asking me, but it takes me about 5 minutes to go and research that. And I would do it, but, I have to focus on the members. I'm sure you appreciate that, especially as we're coming up to the earnings, okay? Worth checking out. Looks like a regional bank moving up. I wouldn't buy a moving bank. I wouldn't buy a regional bank, not in a million years. Bank of America can't make any money. Why would I buy a regional bank? Nice, UCAM. I need free membership, Art of Calm. I want a free membership. I actually pay to watch my own channel. That can't be right. Added a buy order on Rio, $60. That's a very good idea. That's a very, very good idea. But I tell you what, though, we need to check, though, if it's what its history is of the dividends. It pays a really good. So only 299 pence. I know, Stephen Lewandowski, but there's some very rich people in here. And rich people, tight. We got people in here with millions of dollars, and makes them tight. It's the poor people who come in here and buy the memberships. The poor people. It's not the rich people. Double for you, Stephen Lewandowski. Yeah, double for you. So that means you're going to make me a member. No, you've got to become a member by your blooming self. What is it with you in this membership thing? There you go. Click on that. Martyn lost my Monzo card. Martyn lost my Monzo card. My account is frozen. That's why I can't renew. But wait, we'll be back after calm music. Martyn lost my Monzo card. My account is... How did I lose it? What's it got to do with me? Don't get me involved. Didn't realise it's J&J earnings tomorrow. What do you mean you didn't realise? Why do I sit here every day, Jojo S, and talk to you? What is this? Look, what's that on my channel tomorrow morning? Do you pay any attention? You're supposed to be a bloody moderator. Look at this. Upcoming live stream. Upcoming live streams on the homepage. Right there. See? Upcoming live streams. Tomorrow morning, we're going early in the morning to J&J earnings. Yes. Thinking I might offload before the bell. Any views? I'm not, because it's already low. I want to see it go up, not go down. I'm not selling my J&J. What are you talking about? It hasn't gone up yet. No, that's my view. Hold on to it. What's wrong with you? We've made money on Tesla. We haven't made any money on J&J, have we? Why would you want to sell that? Ooh, what you on about? Take her to McDonald's for $10. Well, I would, 97, but no one's doing super chats and no one's doing memberships. How cool is that? Yeah, it's very cool, but you're not doing it. Roger Fouchon is here. He thinks it's funny. That's a long time ago. What's a long time ago? I'm stuck in First Republic Bank. I'm not buying it. My dad gave me a bottle watching the moon landing live on the BBC. On the BBC. What do you think of CRISPR Therapeutics? Oh, I used to be in that. I don't know anymore. A long time ago. Martin, I am a poor paramedic. I know. I know, Henrik. I know, Henrik. Don't you worry about it, Henrik. You know, it is what it is. I'll let you, you know, that's fine. I'm trying to find you on the chat. Where are you? Have I missed you? Scroll up, scrolling. Why aren't you showing up? John, inbound. Roger. I can't blooming see you. Why can't I see you? That's blooming weird. Why can't I see you? Henrik. I can see you in my feed, but not on the main feed. That's peculiar. Is somebody banning you again, are they? Well, I know you're here because I'm talking to you. I don't know. Anyway, don't worry about that. Oh, there you are. I'm looking right at you. It's because you're green. Oh, I just realised. It's the... Right, people that are green are members. That makes it easier. I just realised that. Anyway, it's only my show. I don't know what's going on. Alert, is Tesla a buy right before earnings? Deep in the money is back. We've not seen deep in the money for a long time. How are you? Yeah, I'm looking to buy it. I've just trimmed off the top. Absolutely. I've trimmed off the top and I want to buy it back with my little saving that I've made. I sold it at the top. Around about here, and I want to buy it back anywhere lower. In fact, I sold it for 293. 293. So only around about here I sold it. Didn't quite catch it at 297. 293 I sold it. So anywhere now I can buy it back and make a profit. Okay. Rio dividend will be sometime in August. No time yet. Switzer. No time set yet. Can you do a video on Taiwan semiconductor manufacturing earnings? Taiwan semiconductor manufacturing earning. Can you do a video on that? When is it? When is it? Let me know when it is. And you are a member. I might do it for you. We've got this is what we've got coming up. We've got 5 minutes to go. Tesla tonight. J&J tomorrow morning. Next year at Energy on the 25th. On the 25th after hours, we've got Google. The 25th after hours also Microsoft. 26th pre-market Tilray. 26th Pre-market Coca-Cola. 26th of July, Gladstone. Someone asked me to do that after hours. 27th of July, McDonald's pre-market. 27th of July, after hours, Amazon. 27th of July, Enphase after hours. And August the 14th, FFIE after hours. These are all requests, so I'm going to get big super chats for all of those. I expect that. Otherwise, it's going to be L up. I'm telling you that. Do you have an update on your Bitcoin prediction? Do I have an update on my Bitcoin prediction? I've been saying it's going to 15,000. I still believe that. Nothing has changed. The 15 prediction was based on June price action. No, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. I still believe 15,000. Yep. My average is 15 grand. Now you might go, but you haven't got any. You've only got 0.0. No, it's all on my ledger. That's my average, 15 grand. I won't pay any more because I'm tight like that. Right, 4 minutes to go. Let's drink my latte. Hasn't it gone quiet? Lovely. Do enjoy a latte in the afternoon. Martyn Lucas Investor. Oh, that's very posh. What are you expecting for Tilray earnings? Tilray earnings, not a lot, if I'm honest. Not a lot. Nothing really changes with Tilray until they get legislation. It just goes sideways. July 26 as well. Don't worry about that. The FOMC report, I will cover that as well. What do you expect from the NEE earnings? I expect something good from the NEE earnings. Right, 3 minutes to go. Now then, can one of you or several of you get busy for me? Open up your Googles, right? Open up your Googles and search for the earnings for Tesla. It will come out in the next 15, 20 minutes. So we'll see it. We'll see the reaction. The earnings call is an hour and a half. We'll be live there shortly because we're going to go there early. We want to be the first in the world to catch it. Now you've hyped up on caffeine and the rally campaign. That's it. Now I'm all hyped up on caffeine. Now the show can get started, right? Okay, let's get ready to rock and roll. Now I've got to say, I'm very disappointed. I'm very disappointed. I don't know why I bother sometimes. Look at this. 46. Hang on, where is it? Where is it? Hang on. Do it properly. Look. It's unbelievable, really, quite frankly. Look, there's 46 watching. 46 and 22 likes. Do something, people. Smash the like button. Even smash the down like. I don't care. Do something, all right? If you want to see more content like this, like it. If you don't, down like it, but do something. That's got to move. That's got to at least move one in the next 30 seconds. Can't just sit there with doing nothing. That would be tragic. Welcome our guests on TikTok. Let's have a quick look on Rumble. Jesus 300 BC is watching me. That's pretty impressive. Look, Jesus has just tuned in. Mount QK and Jesus. I've been an XRP for 2.5 years. It will soar eventually. Jesus from 3,000 years ago. We like all that. Damn it, I missed it again. I've got to pay more attention to this. That's what happens. That's what happens when you don't pay attention. Right, Tesla's going down. Did I get any more likes? 9 watching on Rumble. That's pretty good. 22. It didn't move. It didn't move a single like. That's all right. Nobody likes what I'm doing. That's fine. That's fine. I can live with that. Tesla is going down. Okay, here we go. Ready to buy some. Who's going to buy some at this level? Tempting, right? Hi, Martin. What are your thoughts about Plug? It's up 25% the last month. Have you had the time to look into it? No, I haven't, but I will do. Taiwan Semiconductor Q2 earnings July 20. That's tomorrow. That's tomorrow. That's tomorrow after hours. Hang on, let's ring the bell first. That's tomorrow. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Okay, let's have a quick look. That's really not good for my ears. I don't know why I bought such a loud bell. It was a silly idea. Let's have a look. Taiwan Semiconductors. It's showing us $30 on mine. Think yours is broken. It probably is. Right. Tesla. Any minute now we'll get the earnings. Yeah, I'm seeing 33. You're right. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. It was broken. I'm now seeing 33. Yeah. Hey, UChem. Okay, here we go. Who's going to win? Everyone comment. Sebastian H. Rocketman 2. Sam Fisher. Glamdring UK. Vlad Marenko. Whoa, look at that. We've got 5 memberships. Woohoo, get on in. Sebastian H. And Tesla is wobbling. We're open to buy some more. We love it. This is good. Rocketman 2 has become a member. So guys, if you become a member, you can't get all the upgrades the first month. You have to renew it. But you can get an introduction as a member. All right? So you can have a birthday. You can also ask me any question. Oh, Sam Fisher has just won a membership. Love it. But you have to start engaging in the chat. And after a month, if you renew, we'll upgrade you on Discord. But we don't upgrade you straight away because Glamdring UK has become a member. Look at that. I might be at 187, 193. Yeah, 193 members now. 7 away from 200. Brilliant. Tesla earnings are out. Tesla earnings. Robbie Cooper, send it into Discord, please. Send it into Discord, please. I want to see what happens. Send it into Discord, please. Quickly, as quick as you like. I want to see what the earnings is. The earnings call starts in an hour. We'll be live for it. Congratulations, everybody who won. If you've won a membership, you need to renew it next month if you want to get all the upgrades. But this month for free, you will get a birthday if it's your birthday. We will give you the flag as well. We'll also give you your flag if you are a member from one of the countries we've not got covered. You can ask me any question. You can ask me to do a poll. You can ask me to do a video for you, and I will do it all for you. The only thing you won't get in the first month, if you need to renew it, is access to Discord as a member, because we want to make certain that people want that privilege before we give it away for free. Okay, so next month we can upgrade that, but you can get many other perks this month for free. All right, send it to you on Discord. Where do you send it? Robbie Cooper. Let's have a look. This is the income statement. Robbie, Twitter, status. Is it Robbie Cooper? Tesla earnings. No. Tesla earnings came out. I see. Tesla earnings come out at 4 or 5 Eastern Time. Expected numbers. Revenue, 24.5 billion, up 44% year on year. EPS, 81, up 18.6. Okay, it's not massive for what they were expecting, so that's why the market isn't pumping. So we might get a bit of a sell-off, but the earnings will be live with us. So there might be a bit of pressure to drive it down. Fantastic. That's for all those who won the members. Any funding opportunity for aspiring traders? None whatsoever. There you go. There's Facebook for you. More scamming going on Facebook. That's all I ever get. My mistake. Resent the link. Oh, you've sent it again? Send it again. This one. Ignore the first one. Okay. Let's have a look. No, that doesn't show anything either. That's Netflix. No, that's not anything either, Robbie Cooper. Well, you're sending me Netflix. I'll try it again. No, you're sending me Netflix. Nothing there. No. Okay. Robbie Cooper, what are you doing to me? You're driving me mad here. Sending me Netflix. Love to the family. Poya and family, here he is. I've been waiting for you, Poya. I've actually been waiting for you. Are you ready, Poya? From Iran in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm Puya Bostani from Iran, joining Martyn Lucas Investment Channel. I'm thoroughly enjoyed it. I think everybody can benefit from the amazing content that Martyn, from his experience, put up on this challenge. Will help you to go and grow and go beyond your investment journey.
That was Poya. Leah, can you hear me? Leah, can you hear me? Just trying to tell Leah to go and buy some Tesla. Okay, here we go. The earnings is okay. It's just an initial sell-off. Okay, so... $289, $290, $289. Just bought one. Just bought one. Go, go. 287. 286. Just bought another two. 287, 287. Yeah, good. Yes. Okay. Good. I've just bought another 3 shares of Tesla. So I sold the 2 at the top today, and I bought 2, and I bought another one. Market profit's back. Not seen market profit for a very long time. Bill, have you just gone silver? What happened there? You've just gone silver. I'm confused. You've got different accounts. There we go. I've just bought 2 more shares of Tesla. Market profit. We've not seen market profit for a very long time. Just saying about we only ever see you when the markets are down. And we've had, oh my gosh, was that the perfect trade at the perfect time? Ho, yo, ho, ho, ho. There we go. Look at it, look. There we go. Lovely stuff. Lovely stuff. I just bought 2. If it pops again, I will sell them quickly and do a quick scalp trade and try it again if we can get a pop straight away. But we sold today up around about here 2 shares, and we bought back 3 down here. So we've gained some shares. We've got the earnings for Tesla coming out, the actual earnings call very, very shortly. Very, very nice indeed. Tesla going to blast. The 5-minute is a giant hammer candle, says Switzer. We must be in for a hell of a drop. High space. Maximilian, SPCE. What about SPCE? It's going back down again. Told you, I'm not in SPCE now. No point at all. It's giving up the ghost. Right, let's have a look. My portfolio is an all-time high again today. We've been breaking all-time highs now for nearly 7 months. Up most days, actually. So let's have a quick look at Tesla. Let's go over to this position here. This is great news. That was a perfect trade. Very, very happy with that. It's going back up again. Look at Tesla. I just bought 3 shares on the way down. I couldn't be happier. Let's have a quick look at my position. There's my overall position. That's all-time high. Remember, I took $4,000 out of my account. And if I add that to my main position, which is now at 57.58, I would be at $62,000. That's my all-time high. I only put $4 a week in my portfolio, and Tesla is running now. Love it. Look at it. Great stuff. Who bought Tesla? Who bought Tesla? I would invest in Tesla, but I need to pay my corporation tax soon. Says MSK. Yes, all that money you've been making on XRP. Tesla, going to blast the 5-minute. We must be in for a hell of a drop. LOL, he said. Market profit. Glad to see you. Hi, Crag. It is great, isn't it? To see market profit. Wow, that was great. I'm really, really happy with my position. That is great. The overall position is good. Virgin Galactic's going down. We're out. Gold, we are out at the moment. S&P is up. We trimmed off the top. Looking good. Amazon, all-time high for me on Amazon. Looking great. Apple, going back up. NEE, going back up. Enphase Energy, going back up. We are only 6% down now from 27% down. Great. Coca-Cola defensive stock still going up. J&J, earnings in the morning. Very, very exciting. CVX going up. Tesla going up. We just sold at the top. We bought back at the bottom and we're up. That is perfect. Going to sleep. Thank you for the show, Martin Delph. Thank you so much for being here. Hi, Crag. Profit. Welcome to see you. Good stuff. We've got a post on Facebook. Ignore that. That's a scammer. Please ignore that. It was on my wife's credit card. She cancelled it, so I used mine. Okie dokie. I'm confused, but it sounds good to me, I think. Catamaran, me. Catamaran, me. Catamaran, what is me? Oh, you bought it as well. Good luck to you. Jojo S, fantastic. Hi, Queen, all well. Looking good. And Tesla is going back down again. Okay, it's turning red again. Are we going to flip this and do some quick scalp trades, or are we going to hold? I am going to hold. I've got more money. I can buy back more. I don't mind that at all. I've saved money anyway. So I got $42 left in my Roth IRA buying power, and I've got another 197 in my main account. Okay, we're not going to spend any more money because we want J&J for the morning. We are done with Tesla. We've increased our position. We've now got an extra share. We have 16 in our Roth and we have 1 in our brokerage account now. So we've gained 1 share. We've made money on it. That's it. Leave it. Forget it. I'm happy with it. Unless for some reason we go down 20%, then we'll reassess it. Great. J&J earnings in the morning. If we can get a drop, we want to buy some more before the earnings there as well. This has gone good. This has gone good. Tesla is going down. Right now, guys, we need to end the show. The earnings call starts in an hour and 15 minutes, all right? But we're going to go early because we want to beat everybody else with the time that we go live for the earnings so we can get a great audience. So we're going to end this stream in a couple of seconds, and then we're going to come straight back with the earnings. This video will take you right there. Should you not be on a device that does that, here is the Tesla earnings. Let me give it to you. Oops. What happened there? There we go. Here is the earnings. Click that link. I'll be there in a couple of minutes' time for the Tesla earnings. All right. Looking good. I'm loving it. This is what we're going to see in a minute. We're going to be live here on the Tesla earnings. We're going to show you up here on the chart. It's looking good. It's green again. And we're going to be showing you all of this in just a few minutes. Let me bring in the candles as well. We want to show the candlesticks. All righty. Good stuff. We'll bring all that to you in a few minutes' time. Tesla's going down again. Okay, I don't mind. I bought lower than I sold, so I don't care. The earnings is good, though. The numbers are good. Let me go back to Tesla and refresh this screen to make sure that we've got the accurate information. Scrolling. And we're not showing on 81 estimated. I've not got the number. It's not showing on Robinhood, the number. But anyway, good luck, everyone. Jojo S. Where's Market Profit gone? He's gone quiet, hoping to talk to him. Right. Okay. I'm excited. Going back down. Holding up. Amazon. Apple. NextEra Energy, Enphase, Coca-Cola, J&J, Chevron, Tesla going back down, Rivian, there goes the other EVs, McDonald's, Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Tilray, Robinhood, keeps going up. Big position there for me. IonQ, I'm holding it. Rocket Labs, we bought that with our Virgin Galactic money. There are more discounts for Tesla at the moment. It's not giving up that much, though. We've had much bigger swings, so this is looking good. But it's when of course, Elon Musk starts to speak. That's important. Virgin Galactic is going nowhere at the moment. IonQ, Rocket Labs, Plug, Procter & Gamble, Safe Deposits, Safe, Funware, doing nothing. FFIE down a bit. Rio coming up a bit. Bitcoin, Matic, and XRP. Good. We like all of that. Good. All right. Everybody's already there. Look at that. Everyone's now going over to Tesla. So we're going to move now to Tesla. We're going to end this show. So we're going to go over now. Pooya Bastani. Here he is, the man of the hour. He got his world premiere today.
I'm Pooya Bastani from Iran, joining Martyn Lucas Investment Channel. I'm thoroughly enjoyed it. I think everybody can benefit from the amazing content that Martyn, from his experience, put up on this challenge, will help you to go and grow and go beyond your investment journey.
Yeah, Pooya, I'm very bullish on Tesla now. The earnings is interesting. It's going to be good, and I feel very, very bullish. I'm trying to get up to 50 shares of Tesla. I'm now at my highest level. I've now got 17 shares of Tesla.
Martyn, share your thoughts again with the audience. How much Tesla's share really worth? Smiley face.
Thank you ever so much. We'll talk about in detail Tesla. What we're going to do now, though, is we're going to end the stream because we've got to get over now to the Tesla stream. So what we're going to do is going to end this stream. This is our start of our earnings season. Tomorrow morning it's J&J. So we're going to end the stream now directly. This will take you straight across to the earnings. Join us. I'll be there in a few minutes' time, as quick as it takes to reset the stage. There is the earnings. I'll be right back. Let's get it started, because the earnings begins very, very shortly, and we want to be there early, so we don't want to miss that, okay? We don't want to miss that. Let me just go to the earnings, and yes. It is at 4:30 Central. Yes, I've got all that information. Webcast, I've got it queued in. All right, we're all good. We're ready to rock and roll. All right, so we're going to get there now. Tesla's going back up again. A lot of in and out trading, but we're going to end our stream right now, and we'll be back in just a few minutes' time with the earnings. Join us for Tesla earnings, and tomorrow morning, J&J earnings. It's going to be a very busy couple of weeks here on the show. I hope you've enjoyed it so far, but the markets have been bullish now. I called a bull market in November. It's been bullish since November, December, and we're 7 months into a bull market. It's looking absolutely great. We're just a whisker away now from 10,000 subscribers. Really, really exciting. 9,535. We're really close now when we can start doing fundraisers for our registered charities. Okay, Tesla, it's going back up again. We're loving it. Just bought an extra 3 shares, and hopefully we'll get another dip and be able to buy a bit more. Right, okay, I think we're good. So I will see you all back in a few minutes' time for the Tesla earnings. Thank you ever so much, everybody who's joined me on TikTok, Rumble, even Facebook, let's be nice, and Twitter, wherever you are. We'll be back in just a couple of minutes' time. Get yourself over to Virgin Galactic. Thank you, Pooya Bastani, for your wonderful tip. Thank you very much indeed. It means the world to me. It really, really does. That's more than I make in a day on my YouTube channel. So that makes a difference to me. It's massive. Thank you. I'll see you back in a minute. We're just 7 away from 200 members of our channel. Can you believe it? 2 years ago, we had none. 1 year ago, we had none. Sorry, we had none 2 years ago. 1 year ago, we had none. We've now got 7 away from 200 members. How exciting. See you back in a couple of minutes' time. Don't go away. It's Tesla earnings. We're going to hear from Elon Musk and set the stage for the rest of the month. And then we have the FOMC with, of course, Jerome Powell live on the show. See you back in a couple of minutes. Don't go away.